Hello and welcome to this ClassCalc tutorial. Today we're going to set up ClassCalc on the Teacher web app. Start by going to classcalc.com/scientific-calculator. The link is in the description below. Click Sign Up on the top left-hand corner and select Teacher. You have two options for signing up. The first option is to sign up with your Google account. Select Sign Up with Google and enter in your details. Please only sign up with Google if your school email is a Google email address. The second way to sign up is by selecting Sign Up with Email. Enter in your first name, last name, and your school email address. Create your password and press Next. You can add a photo by clicking the Add Picture icon. You can continue without a photo and can always go back and upload or change one whenever you'd like. This step is not mandatory. Enter in your district and school name and click Finished. You have now successfully signed up to the ClassCalc web app. Thank you for watching this ClassCalc tutorial.